Hey guys, it's Jen here from Nails by Jen. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time to my channel, welcome to my channel. So today's video is going to be my March top 5 favorites. As you guys know, my top 5 favorites can include anything from products, organization items, maybe an app that I've used, or a class or a program that I have taken, anything that I basically use in my salon that is beneficial to my salon. I will share with you guys, or products that I have used a ton of in that past month and I just want to share them with you. So if this is something you're interested in, stick around, keep watching. As always, don't forget to click that like and subscribe for me. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below. And let's get started. Alright guys, so starting off with number 1 is probably going to be my most used color or gel for the month of March. It is from the BEMI Beauty Box gels. They're the metal leaf gels. I have this one here called Limelight. It is gorgeous. I will do a close-up video for you guys because it is so beautiful. I have used it so much in March. I will post some photos or videos or both here for you guys to see. Their metal leaf gels are really nice. They are a thinner viscosity. They apply really well. You probably could get away with 1 layer, but I do recommend doing 2 layers. I actually just recently posted a video swatching 12, I think I had 12 colors. Yes, 12 different colors from BEMI that I bought specifically for summer. I just wanted to get sort of summer colors. They have tons of other ones as well. I do want to purchase them all. You guys know I love the leaf gels. I also have a video where I talk about the Joann's foil gels. I really love them as well. They are a bit on the thicker side. So I definitely want to get every single color. So check out that video if you're interested in seeing all of the ones that I have swatched for you that I have so far. All of the summer ones. There's so many bright ones. I don't know if the Neon Scents collection ones are still on sale, but when I bought them, they were on sale. If you guys do not have any metal leaf or foil sort of leaf gels, you need to get some. They are so sparkly. Let me just pull you guys up my swatch stick of all swatch sticks of all my leaf gels. I have them all here. I have all of the BEMI and Joann's on here, and just look at the goodness. Like, so many. This one here is the lime green one that I'm using, that I'm showing you guys today. So pretty and bright, perfect for summer. So I would say that you guys, if you're wanting to get summer ones from BEMI, I would definitely recommend all of these here. I know there's a lot of even this one Techno also is really nice. If I can pull it out and show you guys for summer. Again, really bright. But I definitely used this one the most in March. So Limelight from BEMI must be my number 1. All right, so number 2 is going to be my favorite matte top coat. I am quite certain that I may have spoke about this in another top 5 favorites video, but I have tried a couple of others and I'm still really liking the 2M Beauty matte top coat. I really like it. I like the consistency of it. It's not super thick. I haven't had any real major chipping issues like the odd client, but they'll usually tell me it's because they banged it. It's pretty rare that I have any chipping issues with this. It's really matte. Even when I apply oil, like cuticle oil at the end of the service, and I rub it on the fingers, I will wipe it with alcohol just to make sure that they're super matte. But even without wiping them, they're still quite matte. So this is a really good matte top coat. I get this at the Pink Chair in Saskatoon. I do have a coupon code. I will put it here for you guys for the Pink Chair. So if you want to get, I think it's 10% off with the coupon code. I have been doing a ton of matte nails, and I will say that part of the reason I've been doing more is because I finally found one that I really liked. Like I said, I have tried several of the other very popular brands out there, and I just didn't love them. I don't remember exactly what it was I didn't like about each individual one, but I just hadn't fallen in love with them. So I wasn't really kind of encouraging my clients to use them, or, you know, even offering it really. But I use this one a lot. This is probably my fourth bottle for sure since I've started using it. Now, one thing about matte top coat that I will mention is that you will want to stir it, right? So because some of the ingredients can sort of sink to the bottom a little bit, it is a good idea to give it a stir if you can before each time you use it, because depending on how long it sits in your drawer. So I try to give mine a stir quite often, just to make sure that everything is all mixed up well, and you will definitely have the best results when doing that. But I absolutely love this stuff, you guys. Number 2 is definitely going to be the 2M Beauty Matte Top Coat. So number 3 is going to be this Smile Line brush. Now you can get these anywhere. I do not have a favorite specific brand or type of Smile Line brush. To be honest, I always get them on eBay. But what I use these for is when I am prepping my nails and I'm cleansing my nail, I don't use a wipe with the cleansing solution. I know I've seen some people will use those really hard bristled brushes that we use for like scrubbing under our nails. Some people will push that onto their pump and then scrub the nail. I just find that those brushes they're not pleasant to use for the client. They're not soft, they're hard. So I really like this. And so what I do is I have my little dapping dish and I use my custom solution, which is a 50-50 mix of 99% alcohol and 100% acetone. And I dip this into the dapping dish. I will usually kind of dab it on the paper towel a little bit just to get like some of the excess off. And then I will just simply scrub the nail, and I'm getting in that cuticle area really good up against that proximal nail fold, and I'm scrubbing all the dust out. I really find that this helps to super dehydrate the nail, really gets all that dust out. Sometimes I find when you're using a wipe, it can almost push the dust up into the nail if we're kind of going back and forth in a motion like this. I know some nail techs will just motion downwards, but a lot of us, I mean myself, I used to just kind of scrub like this all over the nail, and I find it was sort of pushing the nail dust. So I have a group called the NTGTs, which is the Nail Tech Get-Togethers, which we haven't had a get-together for quite some time, a couple of years now. I was planning to originally start it up in 2020, and then, well, COVID happened, so that didn't happen. But one of the girls in that group was actually the one who recommended this to all of us several years ago, and I have not turned back. So I just use this brush. I have one brush. I clean it in between clients, and when it sort of gets down to sort of a nubbin, because eventually it does wear away, but they last quite a long time. I think I paid maybe $10 for this on eBay. I will link everything below for you guys like I always do. But if you haven't tried this, give this a try and see if you have, you know, if you notice any difference with maybe lifting issues, or I actually just find it really a fast way of doing it as well, instead of the wipe. So this is my number 3. And number 4, again, we have another tool, and this one is from Glitter Mix Canada, and this is their ombre brush. So I really like this. I had actually wanted an ombre brush for a long time, and I don't even know why I didn't buy one. I think I had seen them on eBay and Amazon, and I was just like, meh, whatever. I passed by them, and then Glitter Mix Canada sent me this lovely one. It is rose gold with the little clear crystals in the handle. I've done a few nails using the ombre method with gel polish. I did one in my Valentine's Day compilation with Ginger Sparks, and I did one recently for St. Patrick's Day. I will post those videos here, or photos again for you guys to see. If you haven't checked out those videos, I will also link them below for you. So the Valentine's Day one was my very first time really trying this ombre method with gel polish. I had seen it all over. Generally when I'm ombreing, I'll just do it with acrylic because I find it really easy, but I wanted to try it. I have a lot of nail techs that follow me that are gel techs, and they don't do acrylic, and I get questions all the time. you know, if I can show them how to do a gel ombre. And so I thought, well, I'll give it a try now that I have this brush, and I do really like it. I did use it also for something else. What did I use it for? Oh, I will show you a picture here. So I've used it also for like a dragging method, where basically all I do is I blotch the colors on. So say I have 3 colors, we'll do pink, white, and purple. So I will just kind of take my colors, sort of splotch it on the nail, and then I will take my ombre brush and drag vertically, and I'll drag the color through. I will show you again a couple of pictures here. I'm sure I have 1 or 2 that I can show you of what it looks like. It's kind of a very, it's a very cool look, very simple design, sort of an abstract way. So I use this brush for that as well, and I really, really like it. I love that it's rose gold. I'm trying to get all of my brushes rose gold. So this is my number 4 for March. And last but not least, number 5 is vet tape. You guys ask me all the time on my videos what is on my finger and what is on my e-file. So I get this stuff on Amazon. I used to purchase it at one of my local veterinary medical supply places, but it's a little more expensive. Now they do also have longer pieces, which I used to buy the bigger ones, but then I had to cut it in half this way and also cut the strips. I do find this just a lot easier to just pull it out, and I snip a bunch of pieces off for my day because I change them out with each client. So the reason that I put it on my finger is because I used to actually have quite a large divot in my finger because over time I was filing my skin off, and it started to just have like a huge divot. I remember one time being in the bath, and you know how like if you have a cut or something like that and your skin gets wet, it'll kind of turn white. It had a big white, it looked like a bite. It looked like someone had taken a bite because over time it had actually like chiseled down my skin. So I was like, oh my goodness. So I had tried Band-Aids before I found vet tape. Oh my gosh, I don't know. I tried something else, and Band-Aids were so sticky and gooey. Now this stuff does not get sticky and gooey. It does not have stickiness to it. It just sticks to itself. So the one thing that I am not sure is if there is any latex in them. There may be latex in them. I didn't check that for you guys. I apologize. I was just honestly thinking about it right now. So if you have any type of a latex allergy, maybe just double check if there's any type of latex in it so that you don't have a reaction. But I usually put it over my glove, so it really wouldn't matter if you're wearing gloves. I guess it would matter if you touch it with your naked skin. But yeah, so if you have any type of a latex allergy, maybe double check that because it is not sticky, right? It sticks to itself. So that's why it's called vet tape, because this is what vets use to basically put a bandage on animals. They can't put a bandage on fur because then it would rip their fur off when you try to take the bandage off. So I use it on my fingers for that reason. Also, I know a lot of ladies, including myself, used to file my own nail. And so my nail would be all crazy shaped because I would file it or file the design off. So again, this protects your fingernail. Now, the reason that I put it on my e-file is because I have carpal tunnel. I've spoken about it a lot in my videos. I have carpal tunnel like most of us do. And I find that just adding a layer of this vet tape, it not only adds a little bit of bulk to the e-file, which helps me to hold it so I'm not straining to hold such a small hand piece, but also it adds grip to it. So I don't have to hold it so tightly like it's going to slip out of my hands. I can just kind of hold it looser because there's the grip to it from the vet tape. So this is definitely something I recommend. Like again, I get this stuff on Amazon. It's really not super expensive. I get like a pack of 12 or something. I will link everything below. Like I said, guys, I'm always trying to link everything for you guys. But if you don't have vet tape, get this stuff. I know that there are other things out there. I don't remember what they're called, but they're like a little silicone type of finger guard thing that people can get. I have not tried those, but when I looked at them, there was just something about them. I don't remember offhand. There was something about them that I just didn't think I would like. But again, I haven't tried them. Maybe they're amazing. So I'm sure a lot of you guys might comment below, you know, to try those, but I have not tried them yet. Somebody else told me something the other day. Oh, somebody else mentioned a thimble. She found some type of a thimble at the dollar store and she uses that. Again, I have not tried that, but I do really like the vet tape, so I highly recommend. I've even used this on art brushes. You know, if you get like a really skinny art brush and it's hard to hold if you have carpal tunnel, you can use either those pencil things that we used to use when we were kids to put on your pencils to make your pencil thicker, or I've just wrapped vet tape around them as well to make them a little thicker and to add grip. So this stuff is really something you guys need to have. So this is my number 5 for my March top 5 favorites. All right, guys, so that is it for my March top 5 favorites. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you haven't purchased some of these items, get on it and get them. They're really, really good. I highly recommend them, particularly the BEMI foil gels, or metal leaf gels as they call them. If you guys have any top 5 favorites or any top favorites that you have used in the month of March, please let me know in the comment section below. And as always, guys, have an amazing day.